Let's face it, being vegan can sometimes feel like navigating a social maze. You're excited to connect with loved ones, but thoughts of food-centric gatherings might bring a touch of anxiety. Will there be anything for me to eat? Will I have to answer the same questions about protein again? Trust me, I've been there. Those early days of navigating social gatherings as a new vegan were definitely an adventure. I remember feeling a mix of excitement about my new lifestyle and a little nervousness about how it would be perceived. But over time, I've learned that with a little preparation and a positive attitude, embracing a vegan lifestyle doesn't mean sacrificing a vibrant social life. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that communication is key. It's about finding that sweet spot between honoring your choices and keeping things light and fun. Remember, it's not about lecturing or making anyone feel uncomfortable. It's about sharing your choices with kindness and understanding. So whether you're heading to a family dinner, a workplace potluck, or a festive holiday party, take a deep breath and remember, you've got this. This is about embracing delicious food, meaningful connections, and staying true to yourself, all at the same time. One of the best ways to ensure you have something to eat is to bring a dish to share. Not only does this guarantee you have something delicious, but it also introduces others to the joys of vegan cuisine. Sharing your favorite recipes can spark interest and even inspire others to try vegan meals. Cooking together can be a fun and bonding experience, turning a potential stressor into a joyful activity. Another tip is to always have a backup plan. Pack some snacks or a small meal just in case. This way you can relax and enjoy the event without worrying about going hungry. Remember, social gatherings are about connection and enjoyment. Focus on the people, the conversations, and the memories you're creating. These moments are what truly matter, and your vegan lifestyle can seamlessly fit into them. Embrace your choices with confidence and share your journey with pride. You'll find that many people are curious and supportive, and those who matter will respect your choices. So go out there, enjoy the delicious food, the meaningful connections, and stay true to yourself. After all, being vegan is about more than just food. It's about living a life that aligns with your values and sharing that joy with others. With a little preparation and a positive mindset, you can navigate any social scene with ease and grace. So, here's to delicious vegan food, meaningful connections, and staying true to yourself, all at the same time. Navigating traditions with kindness. Family gatherings, those beautiful celebrations of love and tradition, can sometimes feel like a minefield for vegans. Maybe your Aunt Carol's famous lasagna is a non-negotiable, or your family's annual barbecue centers around mountains of meat. It's natural to feel a little apprehensive about rocking the boat. But here's the thing, family is about love, acceptance, and understanding. Most likely your loved ones care more about sharing a meal with you than what's exactly on your plate. Don't be afraid to have an open and honest conversation with your family about your dietary choices. Offer to bring a dish or two that everyone can enjoy. Think vibrant salads, flavorful sides, or a show-stopping vegan dessert that will have everyone asking for seconds. Not only will you have something delicious to eat, but you'll also be sharing your plant-based world with the people you love most. Plant-based power hours. Navigating the workplace lunchroom can sometimes feel like walking a tightrope, especially if you're surrounded by colleagues who haven't quite embraced the plant-based life. The good news is, it doesn't have to be a stressful experience. One strategy that worked wonders for me was packing my own lunches. Not only did it give me complete control over the ingredients, but it also sparked curiosity among my coworkers. Suddenly, my colorful salads and flavorful veggie wraps became a conversation starter, opening the door to share my love for plant-based eating in a relaxed, informal setting. If you're ordering takeout, don't be afraid to get creative. Many restaurants are becoming increasingly vegan-friendly. Check for veggie burgers, falafel wraps, or customizable salads. And remember, clear communication is key. Don't be shy about asking for modifications or substitutions to make a dish vegan. Eating out with friends, one of life's greatest pleasures, shouldn't be a source of stress, even if you're vegan. While it might require a little extra planning, It's entirely possible to enjoy delicious plant-based meals while catching up with your favorite people. Before you head out, take a peek at the restaurant's menu online. Many restaurants now have dedicated vegan sections or clearly labeled vegan options. If the menu is a little sparse in the plant-based department, don't hesitate to call ahead. Most restaurants are more than happy to accommodate dietary restrictions, especially with a little advance notice. When ordering, be confident and specific about your needs. Instead of saying, "I can't eat that," try, "Do you think you could make this dish without cheese?" Or, "Is it possible to substitute the dairy milk for almond milk?" Remember, clear communication is key to a stress-free and enjoyable dining experience. The holidays. A time for sparkling decorations, heartwarming traditions, and of course, festive feasts. Holiday gatherings with their focus on food and family can feel both exciting and a little daunting for vegans. But with a little planning and an open heart, you can fully enjoy the festivities while staying true to your values. One of my favorite things to do during the holidays is to offer to bring a vegan dish or two to share. Not only does it ensure that I have something delicious to eat, but it also gives me the opportunity to share my love for plant-based food with others. Whether it's a creamy vegan pumpkin pie, a batch of gingerbread cookies, or a festive cranberry sauce, there are endless possibilities to showcase the flavors of the season in a way that everyone can enjoy. Communicating your dietary choices doesn't have to be a dreaded conversation. It's about finding that perfect balance between being true to yourself and approaching the situation with grace and understanding. Remember, you don't need to justify your choices or engage in debates. A simple, "Thank you for the offer, but I'm vegan or I'm actually not hungry, but I'd love to have a cup of tea with you," can work wonders. If someone asks about your vegan lifestyle, keep it light and positive. Share what you love about it, the delicious food, the positive impact on your health or the environment, and focus on the positives. And if the conversation veers into territory that makes you uncomfortable, don't be afraid to politely steer it in a different direction. One of the keys to navigating social gatherings as a vegan is to be prepared. I've learned that a little pre-planning can make all the difference in ensuring a stress-free and enjoyable experience. Before you head out the door, have a little snack or a light meal. This will help prevent you from getting overly hungry and feeling tempted to compromise your dietary choices. Packing a few vegan snacks in your bag is always a good idea, especially if you're going to be out for an extended period. If you're going to a potluck or a gathering where you won't have control over the menu, offer to bring a dish or two to share. This way, you know you'll have at least one or two things you can enjoy, and you can also introduce your friends and family to the delicious world of plant-based cuisine. Being vegan is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle choice that often stems from deeply held values. It's about living in alignment with your beliefs, whether they're rooted in animal welfare, environmental concerns, or personal health. As you navigate social situations, remember that you are not alone. There's a vibrant and supportive vegan community out there, ready to cheer you on and offer tips and advice. Don't be afraid to connect with other vegans online or in your local area. Sharing experiences, recipes, and words of encouragement can make the journey even more rewarding. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. It's okay to stumble along the way. Every situation is a learning opportunity. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress. And remember that your voice and your choices matter. Being vegan is an adventure, a journey of discovery, and a celebration of delicious, compassionate living. It's about savoring vibrant, plant-based food, making conscious choices that align with your values, and sharing your love for a kinder, more sustainable world. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about making choices that feel good for you, your body, and the planet. So go ahead, embrace the journey, and celebrate the many joys of a plant-based life.